Is being an electrician in Saint Kitts and Nevis well paid? On average, an electrician in Saint Kitts and Nevis earns around $20,800 a year as an average annual gross salary. After tax, that electrician income brings home $18,800, which adds up to roughly $1,567 each month. While electrician wages in Basseterre are higher at $22,100 after tax, living outside the city costs less, so your take-home pay goes further there. Entry-level pay starts well below that average, but it goes up quickly as you gain experience. After that initial rise, your earnings can plateau unless you step up. A university degree isn't usually required to start, but having extra education helps you earn more. On top of that, it opens doors to higher paying roles like electrical supervisor or master electrician. That's why building specialized skills in this field helps you secure a higher average electrician pay over time.